Hi guys, Lens here. In this video I am going to show you how you can size your battery bank for your solar panel system. Just want to let you guys know that what you need to do, you need to size your battery in a proper way. If it is not lithium batteries, then you need to size your batteries in a proper way to utilize the lifespan of your batteries, and I am going to tell you why. These batteries have limited life cycle, and the idea here is that you don't want to drain your battery completely dead. What you want to do, you want to utilize the life of your battery. This is a 100 Ah battery. I have two of them here. If I fuse the two batteries together, instead of using one, you use two. You fuse them together. So when one battery is going dead, you fuse two batteries, both batteries will be at 50%. That's the theory about it, guys. So that's how you size your batteries. Just to let you know, instead of getting this battery completely dead, you fuse the two of them. So we are fusing these batteries on 12 volts. Positive to positive, negative to negative, 12 volts. We have a complete battery bank of 200 Ah, meaning amp hours, guys. So more batteries you have for your battery bank, it's more better for you. Also, it's all depending on the type of appliances that you're going to run. Off grid is the way to go. I hope to be completely off grid in the future. So yeah guys, that's the theory that I am showing you there. We have two batteries here, but if we only have one, when this battery is dead, the two of them together will be at 50%, because this is 100 100. So instead of using one battery, we use two. We get 50% discharge instead of killing our battery completely. These battery, when they go completely dead, often they tend to go bad very fast, and that will cut the life cycle, that will cut the lifespan, as these batteries are made to last 4 to 5 years, 6 years. But due to this technique, we can prolong the life of these batteries. These are AGM lead acid seal non-spillable batteries. So guys, that's just another important tip. Also, I am going to leave you some information in the description on how we can size our batteries. There are also calculators that we can use. So guys, I'm about to get to that right now. Okay guys, so this is an online calculator. So the idea here is, let's just say 30 amps by 120 volts is about 3000 watts. So we're multiplying this by 30 amps by 120 volts is about 3000 watts. So we are going to multiply this by 12 hours, and this is how many batteries we will need. And this calculator will give us a discharge level of 50%. So you can use this calculator as a tool to size your batteries for your solar system. Leave the link in the video description. My name is Lens, and this is how you can size your battery system to get the best out of your battery bank. I'm Lens, and subscribe, like this video, and also let me hear if you have any questions or comment in the comment section below.